Hey y'all, welcome back. So we're beginning by filling in her brows. Today we're using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Warm Brown. I ended up switching to my Ruby Kisses brow pencil in the shade light medium brown, because I remember I told you guys before about those shady slim brow pencils by LA Girl. They go on super light, and I just don't like the whole feathered looking. I mean, I do like in the front of the brow, but the whole entire brow I just cannot get into the whole feathered look. So this one is a little bit darker, but it still gave me like a really natural feel. So we're carving her brows out with the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in the shade Amber. And y'all, I use the same concealer for her base on her eyelids. This very bright pink color you guys see me packing into her lid is from the Juvia's Place Culture palette. I'm packing it on with the E17 brush from Morphe. And y'all, let's just get into these colors, because these colors in this palette look so bright and like neon. Like, they're super bright. Like, I was so shocked when I first used that palette. And I actually did a video with me using the palette on myself, so y'all will see that soon. But that's what I'm packing into her lid. I don't know why I keep saying packing into her lid. I definitely meant to say crease, but y'all get what I'm saying. I don't know if y'all really noticed, but there was a darker shade of pink that I used, and I grabbed that one from the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe just to deepen it a little bit, because I really wasn't expecting it to be as neon as it was. And then I also used the M506 to blend out the colors. I did pick up a very light pink. I also think I grabbed that one from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not sure, but I need to do better. I need to start showing the products in the camera so I can actually remember and y'all can actually see for yourself what I'm using. But I know I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. So that's where that pink is from, that y'all see me using as her transition color. And it really blended out really good together. Like, both of the formulas mixed very well together. But to cut her crease, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade White. I believe it's called White. If it's not, it's the white one. So that's what I'm using. I think I said this before too. I don't remember, because there's so many videos I done recorded that have not made their way on YouTube yet. But I used the e.l.f. concealer. But I use the e.l.f. concealer because, and you have to make sure you get the camo one because it's matte. Using the matte concealer to cut creases like helps prevent the lid from creasing. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, y'all know I used to tell y'all I had a problem with the lids creasing all the time. Like, using the matte concealer helps that because it dries down quicker and it's more dry because it's matte. I'm using this pink brush right here from Real Techniques just to kind of tap out the edge of the cut crease because we don't want it to be too harsh. And then I used that same dark pink shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette on the same E17 to blend it out. Then I also used a burgundy shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, y'all. I'm going to get the names of the shadows, and I promise y'all next time I do a client video, I'm going to actually show y'all the products, because I kind of feel bad by just saying, oh, I use this dark pink, I use this burgundy, because y'all still don't know like what color I'm talking about. I used a shimmery pink for her lid just to add like a base, and I was just a shimmery color underneath my glitter just because my glitter, like if you can see through the glitter, I want you to see a shimmer, you know what I'm saying? So I put down a light pink shimmery color, and then the glitter is from J. La Rue in the shade Glass Supper. And y'all know I always apply my I apply my glitter with lash glue. Yeah, I freaking love J. La Rue's pigments because it's like a mixture of a glitter pigment with actual fine glitter and chunks. Like, The mixture of fine glitter and a glitter pigment mixed together, y'all, that it looks so good in person. Like, it looks so good. We're just gonna go in and do a very thin line of eyeliner. I'm using the NYX liquid liner. Then we popped on some lashes, and I did go back in with a little bit more of eyeliner just to thicken it a little bit, because I feel like it needs to be thickened. And then I definitely recommend doing the rhinestones before the lashes, because y'all will see, like, I got some glue in the lashes and we had to just try not to touch them because I don't want the lashes to clump together. But I applied some rhinestones along her eyeliner just to add a little bit of razzle dazzle, you know. Rhinestones are really trending right now, so I decided to add some. Priming her face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just applying that with this Real Techniques brush. And then for her foundation, I did use the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 127, which is called Sand Beige. And by the way, if you're local, if you're in Birmingham, you guys can definitely book an appointment with me, because y'all, I've just fallen so in love. I honestly can say I love putting makeup on other people more than I love doing my own makeup now. I never thought I would say something like that, but I really do. Like, I really enjoy it. It's so fun. Especially because I really feel like it's a God-given talent to be able to do your own makeup and work with all other, like, skin complexions. Like, yeah, I just really love this. Like, this is definitely something I'm extremely passionate about, if y'all can't tell. So to contour her face, I'm using the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob. And yes, y'all, I do contour before I highlight, just because, I don't know, that's just the way I do it. And to highlight underneath her eyes and everywhere else, I use the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Oak. Let me know if y'all prefer, like, my client videos to kind of be, like, in real time. Not real time, like, do y'all like them sped up? Because I personally don't like super long makeup tutorials, and I just kind of feel like nobody else does either. I'm probably wrong, but I try to make my videos as informative but not too long as possible. So let me know if y'all want to, like, you know, slow it down a little bit, or like what y'all prefer. To set underneath her eyes, I used the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana. And then to set her contour or bronze rather, I used the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. After I go in with my bronzer, I always go back over the full face with the foundation brush just to make sure everything is evenly blended. And then I also reverse contour with the exact same Morphe powder. Unfortunately, y'all, my camera died, but I was almost done with her face. I'm gonna just give y'all a quick rundown on what I did to finish it. For her actual face, I added highlighter and blush. The blush came from Juvia's Place. The highlighter is from Anastasia in the shade Pink Fizz. And then for underneath her eyes, I literally just smoked out the same dark pink. And then as you guys can see, I also added some more rhinestones. I just added one silver in the middle and two dark pink ones on the side, which is the same thing I did at the top. And then I added a bottom lash. The bottom lashes are from Ardell. They're just simple individual lashes. To finish off her face, or her lips rather, I lined them with a brown lip liner. This is just a random brown lip liner I picked up out of my local beauty supply store. So I lined her lips with that. And then I went in with the Kylie Jenner lipstick in the shade Nova. And then I topped that off with the Tiramisu NYX Butter Gloss. I don't know what happened to the clip of me blending her lips and adding the lip gloss, but this is what the lip ended up looking like. And then I set her with my Morphe setting spray. Anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching me create this look, then make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. And y'all, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, because I do TikToks for majority of my looks that y'all see on my YouTube. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Made Up by Kirsten. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.